Hey guys, been working real hard on the CNC lathe conversion here. Machined this out. I got the mechanicals all hooked up. I had to modify this. It was originally supposed to, the motor was supposed to be turned the other way and come through here, but I got a different motor. The encoder and everything take up too much room, so it's going to be out here. I'm going to redo a lot of this at some point, but right now I'm just trying to get it hooked up to where it will function. And that's pretty much it. That's the mechanical side of it. I got some time lapse for you. That's about it for today. I do have a little bit of machining video and stuff will be up soon. More editing involved with that, but yeah, there you go. There's leftover parts. Spindle on a VFD. I've been getting my controller set up. It's a big computer, but it's old, so that's how they run.